How's it going, everyone? I want to talk about a stock that I am currently in that I think is going to make a massive rally here. I've been making tons and tons of gains on this particular stock that is VRME. Um, I do want to tell you guys, do take the conservative gains. Those 10% gains add up a lot. And I'll show you guys exactly what I'm looking at for VRME. VRME is in a massive uptrend. It hit this daily upper Keltner channel, which is at a setting of ATR4. So when it does that, the stock is very bullish. And not only are we in a massive uptrend, you can see on the EMA 50 is at the very bottom. And you can also see that the weekly channel has an EMA 50 at the bottom. And we're right now currently bouncing off of this weekly EMA 20. Okay, so these are the perfect stocks I look for. I took taken many gains right here on this EMA 20. We took a 10% gain because we skipped the 5 and the 10, and a lot of the times you get a bounce when you skip EMAs. So if I lose on this play, then I would just say, you know what, it doesn't respect support and my demand zones. But this is a beautiful stock so far. I made over 30% gains on it so far. I made gains right here. I made gains here on this EMA 50 it bounced, and then I'm taking it again as we're hitting this weekly EMA 20. So as far as where I think this can go, well, we could go back up to these EMAs on the daily time frame. If you look at these, a lot of the times these could be resistance, and if it does break above it, then we resume the uptrend. Okay, but as you can see right here, we can hit the EMA 5 for a very nice gain here, which is 20%, not too shabby. We can go to the 20, which is 39%, and then the 10 is a 41%. And if we go above all these, well, then it's a perfect example of, hey, we're breaking out, right? If you look at this trend channel here, you can clearly see this is we're going down, but we're also looking at a channel where we're going up. So we're in a tight little position here where we're trying to make a move here. We're trying to figure out what does this stock want to do. I think there's more upside, especially when you ran all the way up to $5, come all the way back down to 150. There's a lot of eyes on this stock. Not a lot of the times do I see a weekly chart look this good. So that's why I'm like really like, you know what, we need to be looking into this. And not a lot of small caps will have a weekly EMA 50 at the bottom. That's why this is one of my favorites. I'm going to play it. If I'm totally wrong, well, I'm looking for a stop loss just below this EMA 50, right? If you've got here on this EMA 20, you could stop out, you could stop out about a 12%, which is about 127. I'll probably stop out about 130. If I'm totally wrong, that is totally fine. But I am taking a setup that makes sense, that meets my system, and we can surely get a nice bounce here. So that's what I want to see. And if it does go over here, I want to make sure, if it does go longer than I expect it to, I would want to see if this would bounce right in here. I don't think it's going to do that. I think we're going to get a bounce here, and we could make a monster run here. I like the volume on the daily chart. We're getting an average a million volume. We didn't get, we're maintaining that. So hopefully we keep getting that a million volume. Hopefully the sellers are dying out, and the algos will look to kick in on these areas of interest. And you can see right here, why are we kind of bouncing here too? Right here, this weekly EMA 20 matches strong support right here. You have strong support here, come back to here, we touch support. This is not a bad area to load. If you're going to take a probability setup, this is the setup to take. Respect your stop loss, because if it goes right through this weekly EMA 50, then I don't want anything part of this trade, as that's just too much risk. And that's what the one thing I just want to keep liberating. No trading system is going to be perfect. No trading system is going to guarantee you 100% win ratio. We got to take the trades that make sense. We take trades that meet the system. This meets my system. It has a weekly chart. And I know that the daily can go quite under the EMA 50. I'm totally aware of that, because the next support zone is that weekly EMA 20. Remember, the daily EMA 50 is going to be like the same level as the weekly EMA 20. You can get better entries on a weekly EMA 20 compared to a daily EMA 50, but a lot of the times you do get that bounce on this daily EMA 50. For example, you see how we got to this daily EMA 50 and we bounce right in here and we make a 21% gain. If I didn't take that right here, I would not have made my my gain there. So I played this multiple times, and I'm looking for conservative gains. 10%, I scale out, then I hold the rest at break even. So I'm going to take a majority of my position out, so that way, no matter what, if it goes up and then comes back down, I still win on the trade. And that's the thing that I tell people. I'm not looking to make hundreds and hundreds of percents because that's just not practical. I want to get my gains, secure it, because nothing is for sure in the market. So you can look right in here, some of the news, what made it go down. But I do really think that this can get a nice sizable bounce. I know it's looking a little iffy, but this weekly chart right here, I can't deny it. I really very rarely do I see a setup like this. So I got to take a stab at it. So this is by far one of my most favorite setups. Watch the 1.36 level. That's the weekly EMA 50. Right now the EMA 20 is 1.46, and that's kind of where we're bouncing right now. And hopefully we get a upsizable move. 10% is my target, and we'll see, and we'll go from there, guys. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts right here on this under the subscriptions tab, and it'll ask you to subscribe for my day trades and swing trades for only $12 a month. It'll never go higher, and you'll be grandfathered into the service for that price at a lifetime. And you guys are going to love this thing. I'm going to give you screenshots of why I take. My day trading strategy is obviously my favorite. That's why I recommend joining the Day Swing Trading Plus. Your name will be in gold. You'll have the highest membership, and you're gonna learn a strategy that can make you passive income every day. No matter what the market does, bear or bull, you will win. Swing trade alerts are very good too. I post all these swing trade alerts right in here. Hope you guys find knowledge in it. It's the same thing that I'm teaching you right here, why I think this is a good setup and all that. So we'll see what happens here. I definitely see this pumping up. Could I be totally wrong? Absolutely. But a lot of the times when I see this setup, we get a massive pump. So we'll go from there. If you guys like I said, if you hit server shop here, you can see my 2 memberships. If you do subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. It's only $12 a month. It's super affordable for the stuff and education you're going to get. You're going to get the swing trades and day trades, and the most important is you're going to understand why you're in a trade. There's a lot of stuff that I'm looking for. I do a lot of research. I try to find these kind of stocks. It takes a while, but when I find these setups, I will let you guys know. But in the YouTube side of things, this is a stock that I am in my Discord. If you guys want to get the real-time alerts, you will see all of that in my Discord. All right, guys. Happy trading. Hope you guys like this video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the Discord, and let's make some money. Peace out.